Welcome back to the channel. A little bit longer video today than normal. That's because we hit up 44 miles of yard sales along the Peachtree 23. Definitely had some fun, found some interesting stuff. Make sure you watch that, but also we did it. We hit 10K. That's absolutely awesome. Thank you guys. So make sure you stick around to the end and I'll tell you what we're gonna do to celebrate. Groove golf. That's cool. How much are your golf clubs?
Oh, you just want a couple separate ones?
Yeah, and it's not part of the set. They were two randoms.
Yeah, there's a lot of different. Give me $5 each. Is that cool?
I'll take them. They're cool. Yeah.
It was like my brother's starter set. I mean,
Yeah.
it was like this little combination of stuff.
I love the old stuff
Cool.
like this.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. How much are your dwarfs here?
$5.
I'm gonna get both of them and maybe one will survive the trip home.
Okay. You know what? I have. I'm gonna wrap them in.
Oh, that would be amazing.
I don't know how much I have, but I give
No,
you.
that's perfect.
You sure?
Yep. I've got a bag in the car too. Appreciate it. You'll have a good day. So I'm editing this video and I realized that was probably the worst wrap job ever. I mean, honestly, what was this gonna do? Now, that being said, they did make it home safely and I think I can get $40, $45 a piece on them. So 10 into about 80. Not a really good sell-through rate, but I still think it was worth it. And then the two putters, once again, not really worth a lot, but I've been really into the vintage golf stuff lately. Love the old putters, really love the old clothing and hats and that kind of thing. So I've actually started a new Instagram called Nostalgic Nines Co. If you're into vintage golf, definitely go check it out. But also see if you can figure out the mistake that I made at this next sale. How much is your putter? How much are your clubs over here?
Man, I can't hear that.
How much?
Make me off.
I have no idea.
$10.
I'll do that. If I can get it back in there. There it goes.
It's tough.
Gotta do it just right.
Them kind of head covers are very long.
Well, they got those weird square heads on them.
Yeah. Well, they didn't make that club very long. Either.
Yeah.
Those two are pretty nice clubs. Yeah, I don't know if you ever hit tailor match or not.
I've actually got that one. That's my 3-wood that I hit. It's rough though.
My back took me out of the golfing business. I played with those clubs probably 6 or 8 years.
What would you do for these 4 right here?
$100.
You had 10 on that one, right?
Mm-hmm.
What were you thinking on that one?
25.
25, okay. So that's 35. And you had how much on these two?
The grips I had put on that was $35.
Yeah.
And I was trying to get 40 a piece for those.
I got you.
I paid $89
Yeah.
off the market, off the net for them direct.
Yeah.
And I know they ain't new clubs. And it's,
Right.
those clubs aren't hurt. They're
I think I'm gonna just get that one for now.
all right.
Found this hat inside there. What you gotta have for that?
A couple bucks.
$2? How about the women's golf clubs in there?
I'll take 75 for it. There's a complete set. Got balls, gloves, tees, everything you want. Everything is ready to go to the golf course.
Would you do 60? 60?
I'll do 65.
All right.
Oh, they well worth that. That's a nice set of clubs.
So you said the gas tank messed up on it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's 60. Double check behind me.
Okay.
And 5.
Alrighty, I appreciate it.
I'm gonna leave that stuff right there while I fish them out, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the mistake. I should have bought all of those golf clubs at the first stop. I didn't notice it until right now while I'm editing this, that the Odyssey putter was actually a center shaft putter. I'll put up the difference here. You can see that one has got the shaft in the center and one's kind of more off on the edge. The center shafted putter is actually more rare. It's kind of the difference between a $90 to $100 putter and a $50 putter. So I could have bought the whole shebang for $100 and the Odyssey putter were just about paid for it, and I could have sold everything else. Now, that being said, the Nike putter has already sold. It had a little bit of a dent in it, so I had to take a little bit less, but it still sold for $75 plus shipping. And then the ladies set that I picked up right next door to this driver is made by Acuity, which is not a great brand to be on the lookout for, but I thought $65 was a no-brainer. I listed them on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, and supposedly a lady's coming to pick them up this afternoon for $175, and that's without a driver. The driver was actually cracked, so I didn't include it with the listing. So I think that's a pretty good flip if she shows up. Worst case scenario, I do have an offer on eBay right now for $135, so I know I can at least get that for them. So this was an interesting, good quality hiking backpack. I'd never heard of the brand before. It's Deuter or Dieter, I'm not real sure. But I did look up comps on it and they looked really good. So I picked it up for $10.
Oh, yes, sir.
Grab that from you. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's even more interesting though is what I found in one of the pockets. Oh, no, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it.
I'm in chocolate class. I've been taking bakery and
Chocolate
bakery
class.
and
Yeah.
pastry,
Where is that?
at Helms College in Augusta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't that the one that Goodwill started in funds? That's amazing.
Yeah. Yep, doing chocolate and sugar right now.
That's awesome. And then when you graduate, you hope to work at a bakery?
Do an apprenticeship and then open a bakery. That's the idea.
That's cool.
You know what that is?
It's electrolysis type thing.
It's like what do they
cool.
call that? Like
I can't think of what it's called.
quackery.
Yeah. Yep. How much you want for that?
This is my great grandma's. How
That's
much
cool.
you want to give for it? I don't
$10
want
just to look at.
Lovely.
That works. How about the Barbies over there?
Yeah, I'll do 10
That would be a question for Annie. I'm sure
Okay.
she wants them gone as well. The Barbie stuff.
The little ones I was getting $5 a piece for. I really don't know what they're worth, but you're welcome to come.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes, sir.
There's another big box of Barbie stuff. These small ones I was asking $5 for.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no idea what any of this stuff is worth.
You and me both.
I've had them for years. But take
Hollywood
a look
Next.
around.
Okay.
So I spent probably 5 minutes looking over these Barbies and looking them up on eBay, and I probably missed a few, but I did get one really good one.
Just Ken.
10.
Okay.
It's probably a pretty good one at the moment. I hope you enjoy.
So that was Magic Earring Ken from 1992, and apparently it was a pretty rare and discontinued Barbie because it sold super quick. Actually sold today for some good money. I'll put the comp on the screen there. But what was really shocking was this guy right here. You guys saw me talking to the guy about this thing, and it's a violet ray wand or a high frequency generator. According to Wikipedia, it's used to treat everything from lower back pain to carbuncles. But this thing is wild. Check it out. So definitely interesting there. And as far as value goes, I really don't know. I couldn't find a date on it anywhere. I did find a receipt from where it was repaired back in 1982. So it's definitely old. And comps on similar ones look pretty good if I can even sell it on eBay. Not really sure about that either, but for 10 bucks, it's definitely fun to even play with.
How much are your golf? Sorry, I didn't mean. How much are your golf clubs over here?
Oh, those are $1 a piece.
Okay.
See something you like? If it says Scotty Cameron, that's more.
Oh, come on. All right, I'll give you 2 for a Scotty Cameron. I'll give you 2 for that.
Do you have a Scotty Cameron?
I do. I have a few.
Did you sell it? Did you send them back, get them redone?
I want to. I've got one.
Price.
I've got one that I want to make orange and purple, but
yeah, he'll do it.
yeah, they will.
Yeah,
they will. Hadn't done it yet. I actually found it for $2 at a Goodwill.
Yeah, every once in a while you luck up on
You
it.
never know. I'll get these 2 right here from you.
Okay. What did I say, $1 a piece?
Yes, sir.
$2.
I'm a sucker for old putters.
I don't really have a bag for it. You good?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Y'all 4 a lot.
How about that little Olympus over here? You got
Olympus camera.
you got 35 on it.
I'll take 25 for it.
How about 20? Since I know it's at least going to need a battery because it's not popping out.
So this is an Olympus Stylus 120, little 35mm camera. I love finding these things, even at 20 bucks. I've got to get a battery for it, and if it works, it's worth about 120 bucks. If it doesn't work, it's worth about what I paid for it. It's definitely the cleanest one that I've ever found, though. And then also, the next sale ended up picking up 8 polo shirts at $5 a piece. There were some pretty high-end golf brands, and I couldn't pass them up. They were in mint condition. And then at the next sale, I actually picked up 2 Masters chairs. Of course, as I was walking up to the sale, the GoPro died and I couldn't get the footage, but picked up 2 Masters chairs for 30 bucks and I've already sold one for 75. So overall, the Peachtree 23, in my opinion, was a pretty good success. But more importantly, what are we doing to celebrate 10K? Well, honestly, it's all about you guys. You guys have always been so supportive. You guys are ones that got me here. And I want to meet you, like literally meet you. So if you're interested in that, here's what I'd like for you to do. Drop your city and state in the comments down below. We're going to pick a random person and I'm coming there. At the very least, we can go out to dinner, grab a bite to eat, but hopefully we can do more. Maybe do some sourcing, go to a flea market, a yard sale, or even do some thrifting. But if that's something you're interested in, drop your city, your state, and your comments down below. Follow it up with an email so I have a way to get in touch with you, and I'll come hang out. I do have 2 requirements though. One is that you live in the lower 48 states because the budget's kind of tight. And 2, don't be an axe murderer or a serial killer because, well, you know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave that comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we may be seeing one of you very soon.